today's video regarding Canon Pixma MG3610 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup of this wireless printer. So let's start with the unboxing. Open the ink cartridge chamber door, which is at the front. There is a way to open that. Now first open this door. So here you see this is the paper input tray where you can place the pages, and this is the paper output tray, and above that is the ink cartridge door, chamber door. Push it, and here you can see there are two options here to place the ink cartridges. So press this lever down. Now install the ink cartridge. Color will go to the color side. So just simply place it in and push it in and push the lock up. Install the second ink cartridge, black, here, and push this lock up. Now close the ink cartridge door and also close the main door. Now I'm going to show you how to load the paper. So open the front door again, and this is the paper tray at the bottom. So simply place the pages here. Now we have installed the ink and we have loaded the paper in the paper tray. Our printer is ready for the copy. So to do a copy, simply open the top scanner lid. Place any page for the copy facing downwards, as you can see here. Close the lid and go to the control panel. Select black or color and press it once and it will start the copy. You can also do the Wi-Fi setup of this printer using any device, laptop, computer or your phone, and then you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. So this way we can do the copy. Overall, it's very easy to set up this printer. Thanks for watching.